7 tips to help you become an attractive woman. We all want to be attractive to others, but sometimes we don't know how. If you're a woman, there are some tried and true ways to help you look and feel your best. Here are 7 tips to help you become an attractive woman. 1. Smile more. If you want to become an attractive woman, one of the best things you can do is to smile more. A genuine, warm smile is one of the most attractive features a woman can have. When you smile, you not only look more attractive, but you also come across as friendlier and more approachable. If you're not used to smiling often, it may take a bit of practice to get into the habit. But once you do, you'll be amazed at how much more approachable and attractive you'll appear to others. Another tip to become an attractive woman is to make sure you're taking care of your appearance. This means eating right, exercising, and maintaining good hygiene. When you take care of yourself, it shows and people will take notice. If you want to really stand out, invest in a few key pieces of clothing and makeup that make you feel confident and beautiful. Then, make sure you're wearing them when you're around people you want to impress. Lastly, remember that confidence is key. The most attractive women are those who are confident in themselves. So, work on building your self-confidence and you're sure to turn heads wherever you go. 2. Make eye contact. One of the most important things you can do to be more attractive is to make eye contact. When you make eye contact with someone, you are telling them that you are interested in them and that you are paying attention to them. This is a very important signal to send when you are first meeting someone or when you are trying to flirt with someone. Another reason why making eye contact is important is because it makes you appear more confident. When you are afraid to make eye contact with someone, it can make you come across as being shy or unconfident. However, when you make strong eye contact, it shows that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you are confident in yourself. This is a very attractive quality in a person. 3. Flirt. When you think about what it takes to be an attractive woman, you might think about having perfect skin, being a certain weight, or having a certain type of body. But there is more to being attractive than just that. Studies have shown that women who are considered attractive also tend to be more confident, positive, and successful in life. So how can you become an attractive woman? Here are a few tips. 1. Be confident. The most important thing you can do to be more attractive is to work on your confidence. When you believe in yourself, it shows. And people are attracted to confident women. 2. Be positive. Another way to become more attractive is to focus on the positive. Instead of dwelling on your flaws, focus on your assets. What do you like about yourself? What are your best qualities? Focus on those things and let your positive attitude shine through. 3. Flirt. Flirting is another great way to become more attractive. When you flirt with someone, you show them that you're interested and you make them feel special. And people are always attracted to someone who shows interest in them. 4. Be successful. Studies have shown that successful women are also considered more attractive. So if you want to be considered more attractive, focus on being successful in your career or in whatever goals you've set for yourself. 5. Be independent. Independence is another quality that is considered attractive in women. People are attracted to women who are independent because it shows that you're strong and capable of taking care of yourself. 6. Be yourself. The best way to be more attractive is to simply be yourself. Be authentic and true to who you are and people will be drawn to your unique personality. 7. Smile. Finally, don't forget to smile. A genuine smile is always attractive. So make sure you're smiling often and letting your true personality shine through. 4. Be funny. To be an attractive woman, you need to be funny. Being funny shows that you're confident, clever, and easygoing. It's a great way to make a good first impression and keep a guy interested. Here are some tips to help you be funny and attractive. Make sure you're actually being funny. Don't just tell jokes that you think are funny. Make sure they actually are. Relate your jokes to your life experiences. People are more likely to laugh at something if they can relate to it. Don't be afraid to be self-deprecating. Making fun of yourself shows that you're confident and comfortable in your own skin. Don't try too hard. The best jokes are usually the ones that come naturally. Be aware of your audience. What might be funny to your group of friends might not be so funny to a guy you just met. Timing is everything. Knowing when to deliver a joke is often just as important as the joke itself. Practice makes perfect. The more you joke around, the better you'll get at it. So if you want to be an attractive woman, remember to be funny. It's a great way to make a good first impression and keep a guy interested. With a little practice, you'll be funny and attractive in no time. 5. Listen more than you talk. If you want to become more attractive, work on becoming a better listener. It's easy to get wrapped up in our own lives and our own problems, but if we take the time to really listen to others, it can make a world of difference. Try to be present in every conversation you have, and really listen to what the other person is saying. This will make you more interesting and engaging, and people will be naturally drawn to you. 6. Be confident. There's no denying that confidence is attractive. But what does it really mean to be confident? And how can you fake it until you make it? Here are some tips to help you on your journey to becoming a more confident woman. First, let's start with the basics. Confidence is defined as a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of one's own abilities or qualities. In other words, it's believing in yourself and your abilities. It's not about being cocky or arrogant, but rather having a healthy sense of self-worth and self-respect. One of the best ways to boost your confidence is to focus on your strengths. We all have things that we're good at, so take some time to think about what your strengths are. Maybe you're a great listener, or you have a knack for always knowing what to say in a difficult situation. Whatever your strengths may be, accentuate them and let them shine. Another way to build confidence is to set realistic goals for yourself and strive to accomplish them. Achieving even small goals can give you a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-esteem. So, whether it's vowing to speak up more in meetings or finally finishing that project you've been procrastinating on, setting and achieving goals is a great way to increase your confidence. Becoming a more confident woman takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. Confidence is not only attractive, but it also allows you to approach life with a positive attitude and feel good about yourself. So, focus on your strengths, set goals, and fake it until you make it, and pretty soon you'll be the confident woman you've always wanted to be. 7. Don't be afraid to make the first move. If you want to become an attractive woman, don't be afraid to make the first move. Often, the most attractive women are those who are confident enough to take charge and make things happen. If you want to become an attractive woman, start with these 7 tips. First, work on your posture. Good posture makes you look more confident and poised. Second, take care of your skin. A clear, glowing complexion is always attractive. Third, wear clothes that flatter your figure. Fourth, keep your hair neat and styled. Fifth, don't be afraid to experiment with makeup. Sixth, have a pleasant, positive attitude. And finally, 7th, take care of your overall health. Eating right, exercising, and getting enough sleep will all make you more attractive. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to becoming the most attractive woman you can be.